Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today I'm going to be talking about the pivot ball stud and show you how to replace that. That's for the clutch fork. Now that's located inside the bell housing of the transmission, so for the most part you're going to have to remove the transmission in order to access it. And I do have videos on showing how to do that, so check the video description. And meanwhile, I'll just show you the install for the pivot ball. It's pretty straightforward. Just remove it, replace it, and tighten it down. And make sure that there's grease on it.
Okay. So the pivot ball stud is right there. It takes a 7/8 inch wrench and not in too tight, so you can kind of get on it at an angle. It's kind of hard to get the wrench in to the bell housing part of the transmission, but it just screws on out. And look at this one, it is marred up and flat. That will cause a very bad vibration. Alright, old one removed, just install the new one.
So you can see how bad a shape this one is, and it's something that's often overlooked when doing a clutch replacement. So if yours is bad at all, deformed at all, please replace it so that you don't have any bad vibrations or problems. And just make sure you put a lot of grease on it as well when you do install the new clutch fork. I have a full install video series that I'll put in the description.
Okay, just go ahead and thread the new one in. I put a dab of Loctite on this as well, just because you don't want it walking itself out. It's getting pulled in and out all the time. So go ahead and tighten that down.
So thanks for watching. Hopefully this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions at all, please put them in the comments. I'll do my best to answer them. And please check the video description for links on full install videos. Please like the video and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks guys.